In this video, I will show you how to convert the Adobe Photoshop PSD file to Illustrator AI. We start in an Adobe Photoshop document, and as you can see, I already have the object inserted that I want to convert to Adobe Illustrator format. To do this, the first thing we do is go to the Layers panel located on the right side of the workspace, where we will see a main layer called Group 1. First, we need to expand it, so we click on the arrow to the left of its name. We do this with all the groups that are created, and in my case, I need to do it one more time in order to see all the other layers fully expanded. After that, we go to the left toolbar, and at the very top of it, we activate the Move tool. Then we make a selection that includes all the elements of our object, and we can see that they are now selected in the Layers panel. After that, we go to the Layers panel again and drag all these objects above the two groups, and then release them. Now that these layers are not contained in any group and are independent layers, we select the two groups that are now located at the bottom. We click on one of them, and while holding down the Shift key on our keyboard, we select the other one. We right click on them, and in the drop down menu that appears at the very top, we click on Delete Layers. In the next dialog box, we click Yes, and they are automatically removed. After that, we go to the top File menu, and in this drop-down menu, we click on Save As. The File Explorer opens. We choose the folder where we are going to save the document, and we give it a name, in my case, Emoji. Just below, in the Document Type section, we select Adobe Photoshop PSD and click Save. Here, we check the Maximize Compatibility box and click OK. After that, from the Adobe Illustrator home screen, we click on Open, and in the File Explorer, we choose the document we have saved and open it. In this panel, we check the Convert Layers to Objects option, click OK, and everything is done.